Hello at home, my name is Tumelo Nkwe. I'm 21 years old. Please vote for me so that I can go to Hollywood and become a star. I believe that I have the talent and qualities to go to Hollywood, so vote for me. Good evening at home. It's a pleasure to be back. My name is Tumelo Nkwe and you are watching your #1 TV show on the planet, Gemstone. And you know how we do it? We search for people with talent, real talent, to go to Hollywood. Yes, Hollywood, to become a superstar like Naomi Campbell, Kim Kardashian, and Beyonce. Wow, that's a star. Like always, we're at the Cresta President Hotel. We'll be having audition in different categories. Could it be modeling, singing, acting, presenting, and even dancing? If you think you have the talent in one of those, then this is the right place for you. Remember, audition has been extended, so make sure that you come this side and showcase your talent. Who knows, you could be our next superstar. You at home have been given the chance to vote for your favorite contestant. Just go to www.gemvote.com to vote for your favorite contestant.